I couldn't go anywhere without somebody going along with me. One day I heard that there was a panther that had come near the village, and I wanted to go out and see it, so I started running for it, and suddenly all these people came and surrounded me saying, "You can't go anywhere without us being with you."
Reverend Dr. Craig Lindsay is a local pastor at the Skaneateles Presbyterian Church. From a young age, Reverend Lindsay was strongly influenced by the church. His father was also a pastor, and his mother went to seminary school before women could be ministers. During Lindsay's infancy, his mother passed and his father remarried the church organist. When Lindsay grew up, he married another pastor's daughter and continued his influence in the church. Today, Reverend Lindsay can be found participating in community service or preaching at the local church.
Reverend Lindsay went to a small town in South Sudan, which is a country in eastern Africa. His goal was to help people with medical needs by building a clinic. After years of hard work, there is a medical clinic and doctors available to help the South Sudanese. Reverend Lindsay made a positive impact on the village he visited by saving lives and helping people get attention for their medical needs.
The John Dow Foundation is a nonprofit organization that helps develop health facilities in South Sudan. They reunite boys separated from their families with their families. The foundation sends medical staff down to the clinics to help train natives to assist in educating the future generations. They perform eye surgery to restore sight to many natives in Sudan.
John Dow is one of the lost boys of South Sudan. South Sudan is located in the northeastern region of Africa. During the civil war between North and South Sudan, 20,000 boys were separated from their families. The name Lost Boys of Sudan was used by aid workers in refugee camps where the boys resided in Africa. A refugee camp is a temporary settlement built for refugees. When John Dow came to America 12 years ago, he felt the urge to do something for South Sudan as America had done for him. In 2007, John's medical clinic kicked off and they began treating eye diseases in Sudan.
Refugees weren't allowed back into Sudan. They asked Reverend Lindsay to go. When he went down, he first stopped in Kenya, then to Sudan. He explained how he waited for hours in the airport until a big banner with many people came in. He was soon welcomed by them. He additionally explained how dangerous it was down to live there. He also explained on what he did, such as putting eye drops in patients' eyes. Lastly, he told about how ill he got and how the people nursed him back to health.
The John Dow Foundation plans on building more clinics and bringing peace between North and South Sudan. Reverend Lindsay plans on continuing his work with the John Dow Foundation in the future. They hope that soon there will be enough peace and stability to send our doctors back down to South Sudan to help people near and outside the clinic.